Welcome back to a Clan a Day podcast brought to you by bagtownclans.com. I'm your host, Colin MacDonald, and today we're diving into the fascinating history of Clan Hay, a family whose legacy weaves together Norman origins, legendary heroics, and steadfast loyalty to Scotland. The story of Clan Hay begins in Normandy, where their name originated from the Barony of Haye du Puits in the Cotentin Peninsula. Hay, derived from the Old High German word Haga, means hedge or stockade, symbolizing defense, a fitting emblem for a family that became one of Scotland's strongest pillars. The Hays first arrived in Scotland in the 12th century with William de Haya, a cupbearer to King Malcolm IV. He married a Celtic heiress, Eva of Pitmilly, and received the Barony of Erroll in 1178. This union firmly established the Hays among Scotland's nobility. William's brother Robert founded the Earls of Tweeddale, creating a powerful branch of the family that remains influential to this day. Their Norman heritage is immortalised in their coat of arms, which features 3 red shields on a silver background, symbolising the 3 fortunate shields of Scotland. A cherished part of the Hay legacy is the Legend of Luncarty. In 971, Scotland faced Viking invaders at Luncarty near Perth. According to tradition, a farmer and his 2 sons, armed only with ox yokes, blocked the fleeing Scots and rallied them to victory. For their bravery, King Kenneth II granted them all the land a falcon could fly over, launching from Kinnoul Hill. The bird landed at St Mado's, marking the boundaries of their estate. Although romanticised, the legend has some historical roots. Artefacts and burial mounds in the area support accounts of a significant battle, though historians agree the Hays' origins are likely rooted in their Norman ancestry rather than this colourful tale. Clan Hay played a crucial role in Scotland's fight for independence. Sir Gilbert Hay, the 5th chief, supported Robert the Bruce and was rewarded with the lands of Slains in Aberdeenshire and the title of Hereditary Lord High Constable of Scotland, a role the family holds to this day. Sir Gilbert also signed the Declaration of Arbroath in 1320, asserting Scotland's sovereignty. Another notable Hay, also Sir Gilbert, fought alongside Joan of Arc during the 100 Years' War, demonstrating the family's international prominence. In 1452, William Hay, the 9th chief, was created the Earl of Erroll, elevating the family's status even further. This position came with both privilege and peril. At the Battle of Flodden in 1513, the 4th Earl and 87 Hay clansmen were killed defending King James IV. Despite such devastating losses, Clan Hay's loyalty to Scotland's monarchy never faltered. The 16th century brought intrigue and rebellion. Francis Hay, the 9th Earl of Erroll, conspired with Spain to restore Catholicism to Britain. This plot collapsed with the defeat of the Spanish Armada, and King James VI retaliated by destroying Slains Castle, which remains a dramatic ruin on the Aberdeenshire coast. In the 17th century, Clan Hay supported the Royalists during the Civil War. Sir William Hay of Dalgety, Chief of Staff to the Marquis of Montrose, was executed in 1650 for his loyalty to King Charles I. During the Jacobite risings of the 18th century, the Hays again stood by the Stuarts. Mary Hay, Countess of Erroll, rallied her clan for Bonnie Prince Charlie in 1745, using the ruins of Old Slains Castle as a meeting point for Jacobite agents. After the fall of the Jacobite cause, the Hays transitioned into loyal British subjects, contributing to the expansion of the British Empire. They also left a mark on the United States, where Hay descendants played key roles in government, military leadership, and the founding of towns that still bear their name. Today, Clan Hay remains a proud emblem of Scotland's history. Their plant badge, mistletoe, and their crest, a falcon, echo the legends and values of their storied past. The clan motto, Serva Jugum, or Keep the Yoke, reflects their steadfastness. Their castles, including Delgaty and the ruins of Slains, stand as reminders of their enduring legacy. Merlin's Sir Gilbert Hay, the 24th Earl of Erroll, leads the clan today as hereditary Lord High Constable of Scotland, the highest ranking position in the country after the royal family. Under his leadership, the Hay legacy continues to thrive, bridging the ancient and modern worlds. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Clan Hay's history, from their Norman beginnings to their pivotal roles in Scotland's independence. The Hays have demonstrated courage and loyalty for nearly 1,000 years. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for another deep dive into the history of Scotland's great clans. I'm Colin MacDonald, and as always, go in Airy and both are late.